Revelation chapter 11 verse 7. Okay. This is the first verse in Revelation that talk about who the beast is. Okay, so ganyan gagawin natin ha. So when we will do our notes in such a way that everything we will tell others about the beast comes from the Word of God. Okay ba yun? Kasi mga sabihin na nag-invento tayo, di ba? Okay. So Revelation chapter 11 verse 7. Anong sinabi about the beast? Ha? The beast
that comes out of the beast.
Okay. So, it talk about the beast. Saan daw galing ang beast?
From the abyss.
From the abyss. What will he do? He will
make war with them.
War with the
Witnesses.
two witnesses. And what is the outcome of the war? Okay. He will
win over them.
win over them and eventually kill them. Powerful ba itong beast?
Yeah.
Yes. He was able to kill the two witnesses. Who are the two witnesses? The two witnesses are sent by God to proclaim His message.
To
Prophecy for 1,260 days. And is these two witnesses powerful? Yes. How come you know He's powerful? Yes. Power to shut up the sky, no rain. What else? To strike every plague. And to ano pa?
Turn
water into blood.
As open as they wish. As open as they want.
Yes. Hanggang gusto nila. So, isipin mo, itong two witnesses, kaya-kaya ba niya this? Pwede. No? Pwede. But then, God said, time is up. 1,260 days, you have to die. No? And who killed them?
The beast.
But the beast is being empowered by whom?
The dragon.
The dragon. So, at that point in time, in our timeline, the dragon killed the witnesses. Why? Because God allowed it to happen. So, are you amazed or are you in awe? How come sometimes evil prevail? No? Bakit nananalo yung kaaway? Bakit nagpa-flourish yung mga nakikidnap, nagre-rape? No? Bakit? Anong sabi ni Job when he met all the calamities and the disasters? Should we accept only good from God and not evil? It's the sovereign will of the Lord. The Lord allowed it to happen for good. Yan ang lagi mong iisipin. Lord, bakit ako? Bakit sa akin pa ngayon? Bakit pa ako na-hold up? Diba? Sekretary ko, lalakad ko siya sa palengke. Dalawang cellphone niya na-hold up. Sabi ko, ba't kasi dala-dalawa cellphone? Sagot ni Christian din siya. Sabi niya, oo nga, doktor pero luma naman na pareho. Ayun ang dahilan. Para magkaroon ka ng bago pero diba? Tawa siya sa akin. Sabi ko, yun ang dahilan. Dalawang cellphone mo. Luma na. Gawin na natin pa.
Iligalawin na siya.
Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang dala-dalawa. Akala nila, madatong ka. Mamamalengke ka lang, dala-dalawa. Cellphone mo, may bag ka pa. Diba? Sometimes, we bring it to ourselves Diba?
Yes.
Alam mo, pupunta ka doon sa squatter area, ang takong mo, taas-taas. Siyempre, dadabain ka na. Alahas ka pa. Alam mo na nga, evil ang world, in-entice mo pa siya. Ha? Bakit ka na-rape? Kasi yung miniskirt mo, kamini-mini. No? Hindi naman kailangan magsuot ng gano'n. O, yung mga nag-gang rape, bakit sila nag-gang rape? Kasi umatid pa sila nung sumama sila dun sa party. Ang alam naman din talaga nila, lasingan yun.
Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked.
We have to apply what we learn, no? And then, ano sabi sa Bible? Ano sabi? Flee! Kaya brother, you have to flee. Huwag ka dadaan-daan sa beer house.
Nag-play na siya sa father-in-law.
Flee, di ba? Takbo talaga tayo. Resist the devil and he will flee also from you. Ha? Submit yourself to God. Ha? So, sometimes, no? Why this thing happen? Sabi mo, pag nagbabasa ka ng comics o nanonood ka ng sine, bakit napatay yung bida? Sila bida eh. At the time sila yung bida, di ba? Bakit sila napatay? Talo na. Pwede. Oh, God is a plan. Number 2, what do we learn about the beast? In Revelation chapter 13, verse 1.
The dragon.
Alam mo, when we use illustration and we make things lighter, mas matandaan natin, no? What do you learn? Revelation 13, verse 1.
10 horns.
The beast came from the
Sea
sea.
with 10 horns.
Alam mo, the sea in the Bible talks about multitude of people. Okay? So we know that the beast is from the sea, so he must be a person. Okay? So the beast from the sea, how is he described? He has
10 horns.
10 horns,
7 heads.
7 heads,
And
and
on his horn,
10
diadems.
diadem. Saan nakakabit yung diadem?
On his head.
Ha?
Sa head.
Sa head ba?
On the horn. Horn.
Horn. Ha? So itong beast na to, meron siyang 10 horns. And horns represents authority. No? Meron siyang kapangyarihan. 7 ang head. No? And then meron siyang 10 diadem.
May blasphemous name.
Ang blasphemous name niya, nasaan nakalagay?
Sa head.
On the head.
On its head. Ha? Dito, sa head. So the head with blasphemous name. Although these are, parang mga symbolism, we just put it like that. Kasi yun yung nakalagay dito. Ha? And then we will be able to decipher them little by little. Next, Revelation 13, verse 2. Anong sabi?
The beast was like a leopard.
Okay, so now we have the description. No, God looks at the beast like a wild animal. Anong description niya? It looks like a leopard. Mabilis mag-action. What else?
His feet were
His
like those
feet.
of a bear.
Was like that of a bear. Malaki ang paa ng bear, di ba? And then about the mouth,
Lion.
it is like that of a lion. What do you remember when you hear of these things? Leopard,
the
bear,
Daniel.
Daniel.
yes, the dream of Daniel in Daniel chapter 7. No? Daniel had a vision
Daniel
about...
7.
Pero ano napansin nyo? Pabaliktad, ano? What is the dream of Daniel? The first beast na nakita niya is a
Lion. Winged lion.
And then
Bear.
a bear with 3 ribs in its mouth. And then a
Leopard.
leopard with 4 wings and 4 heads. Pabaliktad to. But this beast looks like a leopard. It has the feet of a lion, a bear, and the mouth of a lion. Who, what? Ano galing sa mouth niya? Hindi pa
Last
namin
week,
verse 5. Okay. Now, where does the authority of the beast came from?
The dragon.
From the dragon.
So, ang power niya galing sa dragon. Ha? Okay? So, the dragon gave the beast what?
His power,
What
his
else?
throne, and his authority.
Throne
And
and
great authority.
all in one na, no? Power, throne, and authority. And then, let's look at verse 3.
I saw one of his
Ha? The beast has a
fatal wound.
fatal wound. When you say fatal wound, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by the word fatal?
Namatay na.
Ha?
Namatay na.
Deadly. Sa Tagalog, nakamamatay. Bawal tumawid dito, nakamamatay. Sa sumunod na script,
May
bawal
namatay na.
Patay na.
Progression.
Nakakatuwa ang mga ano natin, mga ads natin, mga hindi alam mo eh. Pag nagta-travel ako, I usually look at the signs. And then it makes you think and makes you laugh. No? So this beast has a fatal wound. Mamatay, no? On his head. But then he was
Healed.
It's because of this, no? Fatal. Pag nakakita kayo, yung isang tao, dapat mamatay na, tapos nabuhay ulit.
Milagro.
Miracle.
You are so amazed. Ano ginawa mo? Ano ininom mo? Anong kinain mo? Di ba ganyan tayo? Ang galing mo naman. Overcome mo yung yung sakit mo. So ito rin. When the people learned that the beast had a fatal wound and then he was miraculously healed, they worship the dragon and the beast. Wow, ang galing. Napagaling ka ng dragon. Kami din, mag-worship na sa dragon. Diba? Kaya nga nagkakaroon tayo ng mga healing crusade, no? Punta tayo lahat doon. Faith healer.
Puto.
Lahat natutumba. Okay, next, verse 5. How long is the time frame of this beast?
42.
Yes, no? He was given a mouth who speaks of
Arrogant words and blasphemous.
no? Blasphemous words. Sinong inaaway niya?
God.
God. Huh? And then,
This tabernacle.
and his tabernacle. And then he is only given how long?
42 months.
You know, everything on this earth has a limit. Hindi totoo yung lim o Andy. No? Totoo ba yung Andy? Sa cellphone nyo, totoo yung Andy? Hindi, di ba? Nakain kaya din nila yung load, no?
Naka-only for 5 days.
Andy nga, true. 24 hours lang. May limit, di ba? Lahat ng Andy may limit. Anong limit ng Andy rice? Ay, di ba Muslim Caldero, o? Busog ka na. Oo, busog ka na. So yung Andy, mag-stop din. Itong power ng beast, only for 42 months. So may limit. Don't be afraid of him. And then, verse 8, what do we see? In Revelation 13, verse 8, what do we see? Sino ang nag-worship sa kanya?
Earth dwellers.
All. Grabe, no? Lahat na lang. All who dwell on the earth. All who dwell on the earth.
Sula ng Christian.
Well, actually, all those who dwell on the earth who receive the
Mark of the
beast. And their names are not in the book of life. Okay? Wait, verse 14. Meron ba the beast sa verse 14? Chapter 13 tayo. Verse 11. Yes, verse 11. There is another beast. So, we will not tackle that kasi it's another, no? Ibang-ibang story itong beast na to. So, we concentrate on the beast from the abyss. Why? Because verse 11 is another beast from the earth. Okay. In verse 14, no? There was an image to the beast, no? And was worshipped. Diba? The beast who had the wood of the sword has come to life. So now we know that in Revelation, verse 13, verse 14, paano namatay yung beast? Ay, paano na wood, yung fatal wood? The beast was wounded by, ano sabi sa verse 14? Wounded by sword. No? Sword ang nakatama sa kanya, but has come to life.
Ibig sabihin namatay siya.
At nabuhay
Ang
ulit.
million-dollar question. Did the beast really die?
Kasi has come to life.
Yes. No? Or he had a fatal wound and it healed.
Kaya
Or-
nasa abyss na siya.
Hmm?
Kaya nasa abyss na siya. Parang abyss na kalibing. Abode of the dead.
But you must remember that Revelation is in chronological order. So dito ba yan? The beast from the abyss empowered by the dragon. The beast was killed by the sword. Killed ba? He did not say. No? Ang sabi lang dito, the
Come to
beast
life.
who had the wound of the sword. Wound lang.
Wounded lang.
And has
Oo.
come to life.
Hindi naman killed eh.
Hindi sinabing kill.
Hindi niya sinabi kung namatay o hindi. You know why? Kasi we don't know. Does Satan has the power to resurrect the dead? Only God has the power to bring life. Diba? But this one, no, this false prophet was able to what? Make the statue talk by deception. Diba? That's why the people believe the beast. Kasi yung statue niya nagsasalita. We don't know in what manner.
Pero teacher kasi...
Pero di ba ngayon, nakikita nyo, sino yung nagsasalita? Yung kotse. Nagsasalita na rin ng kotse, di ba?
Computerized
Oo.
Yung computerized.
That's why nga eh, bakit itong
Beast na computerized.
statue na to, we don't know. Bakit nagsasalita? High-tech naman masyado.
Technology.
Yung kotse ng ate ko ngayon, Ford, eh yung susi niya, naiwan nakasaksak, nagsalita. Tapos hindi niya tinatapakan yung clutch, nagsalita din. Naku, high-tech.
Galing.
High-tech. So ngayon kahit, di ba yung mga iPad nyo nagsasalita?
Yes.
Pag naka-receive ng message,
Nag-living.
nagsasalita.
Kasi when you come to life, you're dead eh.
Oo nga eh. But, has come to life?
Has come
That
to
means
life.
dead.
That's how John saw.
Oo nga. Ibig sabihin, patay na.
Nakakala niya, parang hindi sa...
Naano lang ako teacher kasi,
Hindi naman.
hindi naman